Greetings! This is the Instrument Sidekick video for the clarinet, page 4. Putting the instrument together, part 2. Putting the instrument together, part 2. Make sure you watch the other videos before you get to this page. Alright, and on this page you see a bunch of pictures. Alright, now you'll see in all the pictures I've got the reed in my mouth like you should while you're putting the instrument together. Okay? Obviously, I will not while I'm explaining it to you right now, but you would look just like these pictures as you were putting the instrument together, okay? So, you're on that page. Now, on the top left of that page, you see a picture of the mouthpiece, and in that picture, I have a mouthpiece with a mouthpiece cover. My mouthpiece that I have with me does not. Yours may not, okay? If yours does not, you don't have to take a mouthpiece cover off because you don't have a mouthpiece cover. All right. It doesn't require to have a mouthpiece cover, but a lot of clarinets came that way, and some students lost them, others didn't, but it's not vital. All right. So if you happen to have a mouthpiece cover, it's covering up the mouthpiece for all the part except for this part of the ligature. All right. So to pull that part off, you put your thumb down here where the cork is. You put one finger here in between the two screw parts of the ligature, and you take the mouthpiece cover and pull it off. Okay? If you don't do this before pulling off the mouthpiece cover, it may pull off the ligature also. It's not the end of the world because that's what this page is all about, is taking this ligature off and getting it ready. Okay? So if that happens, just pull the ligature out of there and you're already good. All right? If it didn't happen, or you didn't have a mouthpiece cover in the first place, so if you remember to have this and took it off, or there isn't a mouthpiece cover like there is mine, you'll see that the ligature has 2 screws. 2. All right. Now, one, when you're taking it off, you need to make sure that you're unscrewing and not screwing it tighter. All right. They always say lefty-loosey. All right. Lefty-loosey. All right. So that means the top part is going to your left. All right. So lefty-loosey. All right. So I have the screw facing me, and I'm turning it, the top part, to the left. All right. When I loosen the screws, I want you to loosen them. Don't unscrew. Don't take the screw out. That isn't good. All right. Loosen the screws. So just a few turns each one. Okay. So I unscrewed one, then the other, unscrewed, 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 unscrewed. So I loosened all the screws. All right. Then you hold the mouthpiece on this part, the black part, or if you have a different colored clarinet, the mouthpiece part just above the cork. All right. And you can just slide that ligature up and off. All right. This ligature is very easily breakable, as I mentioned in the previous video, so you have to be very careful with it. We're going to need to get it out of the way as we're putting the clarinet together, otherwise we might break this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to sit that on a table or something nearby, all right, somewhere where no one's going to trip on it or sit on it or something like that. Maybe on top of your case, that would be good. All right, so you have your mouthpiece here ready to go for the next video, okay? So do that and then watch the next video. May the force be with you.